not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you some little DIYs I've done and some other things that I've purchased for fall to just give my home a little bit of a fall makeover. So first I'm going to start out with this Dollar Tree vase and some little acorn ornaments I got from the dollar section at Target. I'm going to cut off the ornament portion because I'm not hanging them. I'm just going to use them to fill up the vase. And then in preparation to add my flowers, I added tape to make sure that the flowers stand up straight and section off to give a full floral arrangement look. Dollar Tree had such pretty flowers for fall, so I got this color and like a lighter tan color to make my floral arrangement. Dollar Tree also had these gorgeous gold glitter leaf clip things, and so I wanted to put these in the back of my floral arrangements. So I had some little like shish kebab skewers that I broke in half, and I taped those onto the end of the gold leaf because the clip wouldn't reach my vase. So I had to put this skewer on there to give it a little more height for the back of my floral arrangement. So there you have it. The floral arrangement looks really pretty with my arrangement for my kitchen. I feel like the gold leaves add a really cute pop to the whole thing. These candle holders are actually a DIY as well. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how I did them. The gather sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and this orange pumpkin is also from Dollar Tree. They had a really great selection for fall.
It's not a game.
This is another section of my home that I wanted to add some fall decor into. I found these amazing pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. They were so cute and had that perfect little glam feature that I love. I really want to get better with doing tablescapes for my dining room, but for right now I'm just going to do like a centerpiece and a little center arrangement. I got this table runner from Hobby Lobby. I already had this mirror tray, and this is another one of my candle holder DIYs from Dollar Tree. This gathered pumpkin was from Hobby Lobby. The candle was from Target that I had. And then this white velvet pumpkin was also from Dollar Tree, y'all. They had some really amazing stuff for fall. This blessed runner I fell in love with because navy blue is also in my family room. So it worked really well with the whole centerpiece that I had going for the dining room table. Y'all, this pumpkin spice pumpkin from Target smelled so amazing. It was a great addition to my console table, as well as this beautiful pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, and I added a pumpkin from Dollar Tree. The rust color pillows and throw were both from HOMEGOODS, and they added a great pop of color to my fall style I was looking for. This navy blue pumpkin was from Hobby Lobby, as well as the golden white one, which was simply gorgeous. And then this acorn was from Hobby Lobby as well. So for another DIY, I found this gather sign at Dollar Tree, and it's meant for hanging on the wall, but I took off the hanging portion because I wasn't going to be using that. I ended up spray painting it gold with this metallic Rust-Oleum gold spray paint, just so it can match with my home office. Dollar Tree also had these gorgeous velvet pumpkins that match perfectly with my home office, but I wanted to paint the stems gold and give them a little bit of glam and add a little glitter. So I did that with this paint and this Dollar Tree paintbrush, and then I added a little bit of glitter to the stem. I love all the fall decor that I've added to my home. I feel like it adds that beautiful glam fall pop, and I love how it came out. Let me know in the comments how you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.